Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can filter your time search in Google as you're searching for anything. So depending on the topic that you want, we can put here elections in Uganda. Then we press enter. So it will bring you this search results. As you can see, all this is general information on elections in Uganda. But now if you want for a specific time, you come here to tools on the right, and then we come here to where there's any time on the left. Click on the drop down arrow, and then you can filter if you want any information on elections in Uganda for the past hour. It will bring you that. So this has been published the past hour. If I go back to tools, okay, then you can click here once again. So you can pick any range here. If you want for a specific time date, custom range, you can select the date, for example, 7th September to November 1st, and then click go. And then it will bring you the results accordingly. So that is how you can filter time in your search for information on Google. Thank you.